and I will show you a conversation about cough. Let's start it. Wait, you sound very good. Are you sick or what?
Yeah, I've been off since yesterday. I think I can listen properly tomorrow.
For real? It's just like cough or the one with flu?
Like of my good feeling that is too.
Yeah, that's the worst. I think are you are drinking no water?
Not really. I guess I just iced coffee this morning.
Oh really? Iced coffee? Iced coffee while coughing? Bro, come on. Try more water or something like ginger tea. It's simple, but it will help you.
Haha, yeah man. I think something wrong later. You think it's serious?
Probably not, but if you keep going like 2 or 3 days later, you should see your doctor. You need to wait until it gets worse.
Cool. Thanks for the info.
Anytime, bro. I hope you feel better soon.
Thanks man, of the city.
Yo.